Let us discuss some theorems on the vector identities. The first one is, if a vector is a differentiable function, that is nothing but a vector is a vector differentiable function. Vector differentiable function. And pi is a differentiable scalar function. Pi is a scalar differentiable function. Now we can prove that, to prove that div pi a vector, that is div uv, equal to grad pi dot a vector plus pi div a vector. Okay, here first of all I can give the rough idea. Here grad pi is nothing but, this is the del pi. Del pi is nothing but I dou pi by dou x, summation of I dou pi by dou x. Next, div a vector, that is del dot a vector, that can be written as I dot sigma or summation I dot dou a vector by dou x. This is the notations. First, we can get the idea about how we can write grad pi, and in the place of which expression we can write the grad pi, and in which expression we can write the div a vector. Here, LHS I am taking div of pi a vector equal to, that is del dot of pi a vector, that can be written as summation I dot dou by dou x of pi a vector. It is equal to summation I dot, it is in the UV form. Why? Because pi is a scalar differentiable function, a vector is the vector differentiable functions. Both are differentiable functions. So we are differentiating with respect to x of two functions. We know that d by dx of uv equal to u dash v plus uv dash. For that, here it's not a ordinary differential, it is a partial differential. So we mustn't write summation in the x variable. Then elimination of the summation we can write in the expanded form x of yz. Here that is dou pi by dou x into a vector plus pi into dou a vector by dou x. This is the u dash v plus v u v dash. Now we can write separately summation sigma I dot of dou pi by dou x into a vector plus summation I dot pi into dou a vector by dou x. So it is equal to sigma I dot dou pi by dou x into a vector, means here we can write it as a vector. Okay, here I dot dou pi by dou x into a vector. Then it can be written as dou pi by dou x can combined with I, and dot is shifted to I dou pi by dou x dot a vector. Both we are getting the same answers. Why? Because dou pi by dou x into a vector means a is in v differentiation function with I, differentiation function with j, differentiation function with k. I dot I only we get the one. So that I dot I means this I is combined to this a vector, means this is a scalar function. It's a differentiable means scalar function. The scalar function is combined with the I, means it becomes the grad pi. This dot product is shifted to here, then vector dot vector, we are getting the scalar. Okay. That's for that, if interchanging of this dot and some simple multiple, we get the same terms. Here also, plus pi is a function, no change in that, sigma I dot dou a vector by dou x. Here I dou pi by dou x means that is the grad pi, or simply we can write it as del pi dot a vector plus pi into div a vector. That is grad pi dot a vector plus div a vector into pi scalar. That is the answer. This is equal to div of pi a vector. RHS, LHS is equal to RHS. It is proved. Second one, prove that curl pi a vector equal to grad pi cross a vector plus pi curl a vector. What is the curl a vector? Curl a vector is nothing but del cross a vector. What is grad pi? Grad pi equal to sigma I dou pi by dou x. That is the concept. Here, what we can prove that curl LHS. LHS equal to curl of pi a vector. That is nothing but summation I cross dou by dou x of pi a vector. Just like previous question. It's pi is a one differentiable function scalar. A vector is the another differentiable function in vector. So we can differentiating with the pi and a vector with respect to x. So I cross of uv dou pi by dou x into a vector plus pi into dou a vector by dou x. Again, we write summation for the two different terms as a distribution law. Summation I cross of dou pi by dou x a vector plus summation I cross pi dou a vector by dou x. It is equal to, its dou pi by dou x is there, then immediately it can combine with I, then the cross comes after the dou pi by dou x. That is summation I dou pi by dou x cross a vector plus summation I cross dou a vector by dou x into pi is a scalar differentiable function. It is not a, it's just like multiple. So we know that curl a vector means del cross a vector, that can be written as summation I cross dou a vector by dou x. So I cross dou a vector by dou x is nothing but curl a vector. I dou pi by dou x is nothing but grad pi. So it is equal to del pi cross a vector plus del cross a vector into pi. That is equal to grad pi cross a vector plus curl a vector into pi scalar differentiable function. So that is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Curl of pi a vector equal to grad pi cross a vector plus curl a vector into pi. It is the answer.
This.
Next question. Prove that div of A cross B vector equal to B dot curl A vector minus A vector dot curl B vector. Or if it has given in the form of del dot A vector cross B vector equal to B vector dot del cross A vector minus A vector dot del cross B vector. Okay. Here del cross or del dot A vector cross B vector is the LHS. That is equal to div of A vector cross B vector. We write in the summation form sigma I dot dou by dou x of A vector cross B vector. A and B both are vector differentiable functions. So we can differentiating in the form of UV. So it is equal to sigma I dot dou A vector by dou x, don't change the order, cross B vector plus A vector cross dou B vector by dou x. And in the next step, we expand it as a distributive law. Sigma I dot dou A vector by dou x cross B vector plus sigma I dot A vector cross dou B vector by dou x. Just we can observe it, B dot curl A vector. Then just we can interchange dot and cross product in the vectors. So interchange the dot and cross products, then summation I cross dou A vector by dou x dot B vector plus summation I cross A vector not here, I cross A vector dot dou B vector by dou x. Okay, here interchange the dot and cross products signs. Okay, next we know that A dot B equal to B dot A, but A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Here A vector dot dou B vector can be interchanged. So summation of I cross dou A vector, I cross dou A vector by dou x dot B vector whole it's come only summation for dou by dou x only plus sigma I cross dou B vector by dou x dot A vector. Why? Because use the A dot B equal to B dot A, then it is combined with I dou by dou x. It is equal to curl A vector dot B vector plus curl B vector dot A vector. It is the RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS, that is del dot of A cross B vectors equal to B vector dot del cross A vector minus A vector dot del cross B vector. It is the answer.